Rico?
Teka ba yun?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Papa, gutom na kasi ako eh.
Hindi, kukunin na natin yung lab results sa mama mo. Tapos pwede rin tayo kumain.
A powerful earthquake hit the Philippine island this morning.
Napansin mo ba yung recent seismic events bago namin doon?
There have been reports of a building collapse. People trapped.
Lakas ang intensity scale.
At approximately 9:45 this morning, niyanig tayo ng lindol. Maraming lugar at gusali ang naapektuhan dulot ng pagyanig.
Hindi namin kayo bibiguin at wala kaming tatalikuran. Ito ang sinumpaan naming tungkulin.